Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Priority Pass at restaurants in 2025. Priority Pass is a popular membership program that offers access to airport lounges, restaurants, and other travel experiences. To get started, you need to be a Priority Pass member, which can be obtained through their website or by checking if your credit card offers this benefit. Once you have your membership, you can start using it at participating restaurants. The first step is to find a participating restaurant, which can be done through the Priority Pass website or mobile app. The app allows you to search for restaurants by location, and it provides details such as address, phone number, and hours of operation. When you arrive at the restaurant, let the staff know that you are a Priority Pass member and would like to use your benefit. You will need to present your membership card and a boarding pass, as the benefit is usually limited to travelers. The Priority Pass benefit at restaurants typically includes a set amount of credit, which can be used towards food and drinks. This amount varies by restaurant, but it is usually around $25 to $28 per person. To use your benefit, simply order your food and drinks as you normally would, and let the staff know that you would like to apply your Priority Pass credit to the bill. The credit will be deducted from the total amount, and you will only need to pay for any remaining balance. It is essential to note that the Priority Pass benefit at restaurants is subject to certain terms and conditions, such as limited availability and exclusion of certain menu items. It is always a good idea to check with the restaurant staff before ordering to confirm the details of the benefit. In addition to the financial benefit, using Priority Pass at restaurants can also enhance your travel experience. You can enjoy a nice meal in a convenient location and take a break from the hustle and bustle of traveling. In conclusion, using Priority Pass at restaurants is a great way to enhance your travel experience and enjoy some complimentary food and drinks. By following these simple steps and being aware of the terms and conditions, you can make the most of your Priority Pass membership and enjoy the benefits that it has to offer.